Hey, creative souls! Today, I'm showing you how to make this easy glittery Valentine Junk Journal Folio. Perfect for beginners. If you love vintage, romantic aesthetics, you're going to adore this project. Let's get started. I printed my kit on 230 GSM glossy photo paper to make it extra sturdy and vibrant, but feel free to print it on whatever paper you prefer. The printable kit to create this folio is available in my shop and includes 8 printable sheets filled with beautiful tags, labels, cards, and fussy cuts, all designed to bring a touch of Valentine's magic to your junk journal. To create the base of the folio, I printed the background paper on the back of sheet number 1. Now, let's assemble. First, I cut everything out with a good pair of scissors. This part is super satisfying. Watching all the gorgeous elements come to life is one of my favorite steps. After cutting, I decided to paint the edges of the folio base red because I thought it would complement the Valentine's theme beautifully. I did the same with all the pockets, fussy cuts, labels, and tags, just a simple touch that adds so much character. Now, let's put it all together. I folded the edges of the pockets, glued them down, and attached everything to the folio base. It's such an easy process, but the result is absolutely stunning. And just like that, our super easy Valentine's folio is ready. Party popper perfect for gifting, journaling, or adding a special touch to your creative projects. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more creative junk journal ideas. And if you want to grab this printable kit, the link is in the description. See you in the next video. Happy crafting!